What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to walk you through why we don't use the display network display opt-in on any of our campaigns, why we never have, why we never will until the end of time. All right, so quick story before I get into this video. We dabbled in display network for local lead gen. I'd probably say like a couple years ago, 2014, 2015, somewhere around there. And we thought we cracked the code. Like, we were doing this in the dental niche, and we had a client and we're like, listen, we're gonna run a display campaign for you. It's just banner ads targeting your local area or whatever. And we sent this guy like 150 leads his first month. So we thought we were killing it. We thought we were doing a great job. And the only problem was, after the first few days, the client called in. He's like, what the hell is going on? And we're like, obviously, like, what are you talking about? We sent you, 50 leads or whatever this past 7 days. And he's like, yeah, and they're all trash. He's like, I have 0 phone calls. I have 150 contact forms that I can't get a hold of anybody besides a handful of people. And he's like, and the people I do get a hold of, they don't know what the hell I'm talking about. That they didn't fill out a form, they didn't do anything. So we were like, all right, back to the drawing board. Local display network does not work for local lead generation. Chalk that up to a huge loss. And we don't ever use display opt-in on our Google Ads campaigns for local lead generation. It's never worked. No matter what we've tried, it's never worked. Now, I'm not saying display network's bad. Display network is great if you're running, branding, banner ads or retargeting ads, all that kind of stuff. It's amazing. We use it all. We have our own campaigns that we use display for that stuff. But for local lead generation, to generate phone calls and contact forms that actually answer you, do not use display network. You'll just burn a ton of money. You're gonna get crushed. I'm telling you right now, I'm saving you guys a ton of money by you watching this video. I'm saving you thousands of dollars. I'm dead serious. That's how bad it is for lead generation. The new thing is Performance Max. I can't say anything about it because I haven't used it. I'm such a bad taste in my mouth over display network. And I don't know if you guys know what Performance Max is, but now it's like Google's new campaign type that they're rolling out, where it's like a mixture of display and like search, and their algorithm finds like the audiences for your campaigns. It sounds great, it really does. I don't want anything to do with it. And I know a lot of our agency friends have great success with it and all that stuff, but I have such a bad taste in my mouth over display network and it's display opt-in for campaigns that I just can't bring myself to even bother with it. It's easy to turn off display network opt-in. So when you build a new campaign in Google Ads, you're automatically enrolled into display opt-in. So all you have to do is go into your campaign settings and just uncheck the box for display opt-in, and you will be opted out of the display network and you'll be running just a regular search campaign. So keep that in mind when you guys are building your campaigns.